has a script, has the various research aspect of going down into the battlefield and finding debris and getting into it. As you rightly said, somebody has to throw himself into it. Then only this kind of result, this kind of dissemination takes place. Point is, what I'm trying to say is that who is going to bell the big cat? It is not that simple things. Ultimately, it is the decision makers who need to be made aware. Not that they doesn't know, but then how many time? How many Iraqi wars takes place? Probably. We need to get ourselves educated and look at what is happening between India and Pakistan. 2 years back, every year there used to be 2,000 minimum body bags is to come. Today it has gone down to almost 20 or 30. What is that we are learning? The cost of war is ever increasing, and nobody wants, including USA doesn't want to. Because Obama is saying that I don't want war. But the cost of the equipment, everything is going, budget is going up. So there's a big gap between the reality and what we see. So again, you're not getting what you're seeking. That ultimately who will bell the big cat?
I was just a bit confused about, you mentioned cesium was found at Jadughoda. So how is it possible if it's not, discovered in, because over there it's only mining that's being done. So...
That is the mystery. That is the question. We are asking. This is on YouTube. This is on online. So we have raised these issues in various conferences.
The only probability
But
is that...
the thing is, nobody is in a position to give the answer.
Nobody wants to go and find out, research, find out why.
If we go with this scientific term, what you expect from people from Jadughoda, he is the first generation who is educated and talking in our language. What do you expect from those people? They will talk about cesium, from कहाँ से आया इसका cesium, ये कहाँ है, वो क्या है, इसका parameter लाओ, ये करो. कौन करेगा? ये तो they killed, they polluted, and then again you are destroying and humiliating the community कि तुम prove करो कि ये कहाँ से आया. आप बहुत सारी बातें कर सकते हैं, बहुत तरीके के साइंटिफिक टर्म बता सकते हैं, मगर आप बताओ उस आदमी के जीवन में आपने पूरा जहर डाल दिया. अब आप उसको पूछते हो कि वो बताए कि वो कहाँ से आया, कैसे आया, वो प्रूफ करे. ये एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री होने के नाते ये शर्म की बात है. और मुझे लगता है आने वाले 20 साल 25 सालों के बाद हमारे पास चेहरा नहीं होगा कि हम जादूगढ़ा या दूसरे ऐसे जगहों में जाके खड़े होकर बोले कि हाँ हिंदुस्तानी है और इस तरीके की चीजें हमारे आंखों के सामने हो, जहाँ इतने करोड़ों अरबों रुपए हम इंस्टीट्यूशन में खर्च कर रहे हैं साइंस पे, हम चांद पे भेज रहे हैं, चंद्रयान है, अभी मंगलयान हुआ है, हम ये ढूंढ नहीं सकते, हमें जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
The probability of cesium 137.
Yes, you can find why probability. We need result, man.
No. What I'm trying to say.
No, I agree with you. You can have several kind of things, but the people who are suffering, who are getting polluted water, their life has been going to be affected. You can find several kind of things.
No. I'm not denying that.
I know.
Yeah.
You can give many explanation for that from where they came, but the people are suffering there.
Correct. But nobody is denying that. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that.
He's seeking solution.
No, the solution is that
We have heard for last 20 years, man. We gone to Supreme Court. Everywhere we knocked the door, and we couldn't find any answer.
the only way is that the people's pressure, people can put the pressure on the
That's
government.
what we are doing.
Only,
That's what we are doing here. What we are doing here?
I'm telling the same thing. I'm not saying something different. No, only probability because she had